Silver bullet, baby. Let's see how it reacts right here. A couple of volume imbalances right here. Inversion fair value gap. We targeted this entry off of this fair value gap. Terminus for this scalp on this Friday is right before consequent encroachment of this 1 hour window, or 1 hour fair value gap. If it turns, it's fine. We've already been successful, paid the trader. Bread and butter accomplished. Five ticks locked up. Leaving the runner. I want to see speed and distance cut up through here. So 1, 2. Delivered downside, delivered upside, tiny volume imbalance, might come back and get that. But I'm going to manage it aggressively. Most likely if she runs, she runs. Come down and tap this for an immediate rebalance potentially. 56.63.25. Right here. Or just stay inside there and run. Love to see that. Higher high, it's a good sign. Watching right there. Tiny volume imbalance. Immediate rebalance potential. CE of this wick. Want to see it? Beautiful. Beautiful. Another volume imbalance. Covered it. CE of this wick. You still have this open fair value gap. Might tag into it. Might be on a little stop hunt. Bottom of this fair value gap still. Let me just put that right there. CE of that wick. See, NQ's not following. What's YM doing up here by its own self usually? Yeah, out of curiosity. We didn't make it to a quarter, so we might be done there. Not taking calls right now. It might be all she wrote for today, which is fine. If it gets back above this 25%, 75%, whichever way you want to call it, then I'll anticipate it going higher. We might just consolidate here though and be done. We're already successful. I'm happy for the day. See if it taps the red line and moves. Or if it wants to come back down into this fair value gap. I like that body close. Look at the body close. Just tap it in. Didn't even get my coffee yet. My coffee's waiting for me over there. Boy, the phone is active this morning. Must be a Friday. Time distortion. Outside of the macro. That means I can go get my coffee. Hot. All right, that's what we like to see. Body's respecting the top of that area. Lots of buying pressure supporting price. Sorry, I won't. Everyone's a comedian on a Friday, right? Welcome to Dan's Trades. Today is July 12th, 2024. It is 9:18 Central, 10:18 New York time. We trade on New York time. We took a silver bullet trade. Entered on a long here. Partialed out at 5 handles. Bread and butter. Leaving a runner. Doesn't look like a typical reversal point here, but NQ might be thinking about reversing, so we might get some YM's doing its own thing. YM's doing its own thing up here. NQs, so we definitely have not correlated markets, which is why I like scalping. They don't hold long term. Yeah, I've been looking at time cycles, been looking at Zeusy stuff. Appreciate you, Zeusy. I am 1,000,000% going back to straight up my own model in ICT Concepts, leveraging pieces and parts of the market maker buy model, sell model. So I appreciate how he teaches people. He does come well. I haven't even watched any of his stuff for like 3 weeks now. 2 weeks maybe, give or take. And I am going through, if you hadn't heard in other videos, if you're brand new here, welcome. I am going through the entire 2023 mentorship along with the Twitter Spaces in chronological order, and it is changing my life. Whether it works for you, I can't say. All I can tell you is what's working for me. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you what's working for my trades. And look, we're making a relative equal highs. That must be resistance. Retail Rick's going to see that as we should go short. So we're hooking in the retail traders here with a short play, getting them synced, thinking it's going to go down. Let's take a look and see where it actually goes. I mean, it could, and I'd be wrong, and that's fine. I'm already in profit, so I'm good with that. If I haven't told you before, it's not my first time trading. I'm not a rookie. But I do love Michael's concepts. It is turning me into a profitable, consistent trader as long as I continue with my discipline. And I thought that was some pretty good discipline waiting for my entry right here. Old days I'd have been chasing this, trying to get in and getting taken out. Not so much today. We are just chilling around here in some time distortion. Let's look and see if there's any 3 PD arrays. I mean, I could easily spike down in here and just turn back around. That's why I leave the stop right here. We got an open fair value gap. If it breaks them all, that's 1 PD array, 2 PD arrays, or block 3 PD arrays. Next, it's your ass. So we'll take it out there. 5 more seconds on this minute. Bodies are still respecting. Weird. Must be random. All of the traders out there in the marketplace must be agreeing that they either want to open or close. Price right here. Everyone's in agreement on the ES today. Nobody's in agreement on the NQ, and no one's in agreement on the YM. Oh, you're a comedian. Not so much. Here comes my stop. Let's find out. Tap that fair value gap, consequent encroachment, and turn and burn, or stop out. We don't care either way. Tap the fair value gap, close right there. And Q's looking like it's moving lower. We're probably going to get stopped out here. And we're fine either way. Maybe I should have put it at mean threshold right here. We'll see. Let's see what happens. Yep, there's a stop out. That's cool. I'll take that. You guys have yourselves a wonderful Friday, a wonderful weekend. I am gonna get out of here. I'll stand here for just a second. We'll see where this minute closes. Literally just tap my... Yeah, there's a note I'll take as I should have put my stop at the mean threshold of this order block. How do you know it's an order block, Dan? You're not ICT. Well, I don't. And I'm not here to teach you. I'm not telling you it is or not. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. So I wish you well. Never forget, tomorrow is promised for none of us. Make sure you live for today and be safe. Peace out.